Manje sizokwenza work, energy and power. What is work? Work done on an object by a constant force F is equal to work done on an object by a constant force F is equal to F times delta X cos of theta, where F is the magnitude of the force, and delta X is the magnitude of the displacement. And theta is the angle between the force and the displacement. Sizosebenza noma sizokhulumisa iformula noma i-topic ye-work, energy and power. Bese sibheka le formula le ethi work done by a constant F is equal to the force times displacement times cos of theta. So umsebenzi lo, this is the work owenziwa i-force. Lowo msebenzi uzolingana naleyo force ewenza lowo msebenzi times ibanga elizohanjwa ile object ezobe iphushwa noma idonswa, bese kuba i-angle. Le angle le sisuke sibuka i-direction of motion noma i-displacement against leyo force leyo, ukuthi leyo force iya kuyiphi i-direction, njenge-applied force nje kule simo esisibukayo laphaya. Bese sibuka ukuthi i-angle between inaphuzana le force ephushayo noma edonsayo ne-direction of motion noma u-delta x, i-angle between bona bobabili iwubani? So le formula le, this is work njengoba besishilo, olingana ne-force eyenza umsebenzi, ngaba i-frictional force, ngaba i-applied force, ngaba i-tension force, ngaba u-Fg parallel, bese kuba ibanga elizohanjwa i-object le edonswayo noma ephushwayo noma experience frictional force, sekuba u-cos of theta, where u-theta kuyi-angle between the direction of motion and the force in question. So ake sibuke ukuthi le formula le isebenza kanjani. Ake sibuke ukuthi le formula isebenza kanjani. Lana kuthiwa calculate the work done by the applied force. So work done by the applied force izolingana ne-applied force times i-distance ezohanjwa ileyo object times cos of theta. I-applied force yethu kuleya diagram u-50. Ibanga elizohanjwa ile object from point A to point B ubani? U-10 meters times cos. Bese i-angle le siyithola kanjani i-angle? Sibuka i-direction of motion. I-object yethu iyakwa-right, delta x iyakwa-right displacement. Bese sibheka i-applied force, le force esikhuluma ngayo iya kuphi? Nayo futhi iya kwa-right. So i-angle between bona izoba u-0 ngoba baya kwi-direction efanayo. So i-angle la kuzoba u-0 degrees. Mase sishaya i-calculator 550 times 10. Okay, u-cos of 0, it is +1. So kuzosinikeza u-500 joules. So energy is measured in joules, or work is measured in joules. Uh, Work is a scalar quantity. It does not have any direction, ine-magnitude kuphela. Okay, this is work done by. Okay, enye nje into ebalulekile before size calculate the work done by applied force, singa draw i-free body diagram eveza wonke ama-forces a-acta kule blocks le. So this is an applied force, this is a normal force, this is Fk, bese lo kuba u-Fg. Okay, bese kuthiwa-ke asicalculate the work done by the frictional force. Calculate the work done by Fk. So work done by Fk izolingana no Fk times i-distance ezohanjwa i-box times cos of theta. U-Fk wethu sinikeziwe u-15 times u-delta x, box izohamba 10 meters, cos of. Okay, sesiyabuka-ke la i-box yethu iyakwa-right, that is delta x. I-force esikhuluma ngayo, frictional force, iyakuphi? Yona ibheke kwa-left. So i-angle between the direction of motion and the force in question ubani? 180. So laphana sofaka bani? 180. Ngicabanga ukuthi seyibona indaba ye-angle ukuthi isebenza kanjalo. So 15 times 10, cos of 180 is -1. So we have minus 150 joules. 150 joules. Okay. Bese kuthiwa ku-C, calculate the work done by the gravitational force, Fg. So uma uyibheka i-object yethu yakwa-right, delta x, Fg yena bhekephi? Bheke phansi. Okay, singenza ngey'ndlela ey'mbili. Masisuka la sihamba sithi sesizofika la, the angle between the direction of motion and the force in question soba u-90 plus 90 plus 90 okuzoba ubani? U-270. So sothi-ke work done by Fg is equal to Fg delta x cos of theta. U-Fg siyazi ukuthi u-mg delta x cos of theta. U-mg i-mass u-5 times 9,8. Izohamba ibanga elingakanani? Zihamba 10 meters. Cos of bani? Sesibheke i-angle. Uma usuka la uzofika la, that is 270. Cos of 270 kusinikeza u-0. Shuthi yonke lento le izoba u-0. 0 joules. Okay, omunye bengayiqhamukela ngenye indlela. Bengayiqhamukela la, direction of motion ahambe and at. So i-angle uma usuka la ku-delta x uzofika ku-Fg izoba u-90. Bezothi work done by Fg is equal to Fg delta x cos of theta. Shuthi kuzoba u-5 times 9,8 times 10 times cos of 90 degrees okuzosinikeza bani? Okuzosinikeza u-zero joules nakhona. So that is the work done by a force of gravity. Ngaso sonke isikhathi work done by the force of gravity, uma i-object ihlezi kanje horizontal kwi-surface, izoba u-zero joules. Ake sibuke i-work done by the normal force. Work done by the normal force is equal to the normal force times delta x cos of theta. Khumbula i-normal force ilingana, in this case, i-force eyaphezulu ilingana ne-force eyaphansi. Since i-object yethu ayiyi phezulu futhi ayiyi phansi. Futhi i-normal force ilingana no-mg delta x cos of theta. I-mass yethu u-5 times i-constant 9,8. Izohamba ibanga elingakanani object yethu? Sihamba 10 meters. Cos of k, the direction of motion, delta x, the force in question, normal force, i-angle between bona ubani? U-90 degrees. Ku-90 laphaya. Kuzosikhiphela bani? Kuzosikhiphela u-zero. 0 joules. Okay. So, kusho ukuthi i-work done by the normal force izoba ubani? U-zero. Ngaso sonke isikhathi i-box yethu uma ngabe ihlezi kwi-surface enjani? Eqondile. Siphinde angisayibambanga-ke. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi niyibambile the work done by the applied force. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi khona la nibhale khona. Work done by net force. Okay. Kulula-ke la singayi-calculate ngey'ndlela ey'mbili, but ake siqale ngale. Work done by net force is equal to work done by an applied force plus work done by Fk plus work done by normal force plus work done by Fg. Work done by an applied force sithola ukuthi ubani? Sicane ngisiza.
500.
500. Work done by frictional force. Siyithola i-negative vela ngithi.
Yes.
Okay. 150. Labanye u-0 plus 0. Okuzosinikeza bani?
350.
350 joules. Okay. That is the net work done on an object. Ikhona enye indlela esingayenza ngayo. Okay, abantu
Ukubuza futhi,
yabuza.
ama-force lapha siwafaka onke like no-normal siyabafaka.
Okay. Noma sibazibile noma singabafakanga the work done by normal force ngoba sesiyazi ukuthi izoba u-zero, noma singayifaki futhi vele singazilokhu siyihlupha nje. Work done by force of gravity noma singayifakanga labo bobabili, noma singabafakanga vele ngoba sesiyazi ukuthi bazoba u-zero.
Okay.
So ukuthi nje sisakhombisa ukuthi why singabafaki, yingoba bavele bazikhiphela u-zero. Okunye futhi besingaqala si-calculate i-net force bese sibuka ikakhulukazi isikhathi esiningi sibuka ama-forces that are parallel to the surface. Okay, since i-object iya kwa-right, sokhetha ukuya kwa-right ukuthi kunjani? ku-positive. I-force yakwa-right mhlawumbe singaqalisa ethi MA, sisithi F net is equal to F applied minus i-force yaka-left u-FK. Sithole F net kuqala, F applied u-50, frictional force u-15. So 50 minus 15, that is 35 newtons. Okay, now let us calculate the work done by net force or work net is equal to F net times change in X cos of theta. F net wethu 35. Ake siyibukeke le nto le. I-force applied yale kwa-right, frictional force yakwa-left. So la i-force enkulu i-applied force. I-applied force okusho ukuthi F net wethu uzogcine kuphi? Uzogcine la okune-force khona enkulu. F net wethu uzoya kuphi? Kwa-right. Okusho ukuthi F net wethu uya kwa-right. F net and i-direction of motion, i-direction of motion o-delta x nayo iya kwa-right. Baya kwi-direction efanayo. Lokho kuzokwenza ukuthi lokho kuzokwenza ukuthi i-angle
Yebo.
laphaya ibe u-0 degrees ngoba if i-net force yakwa-right, i-object yakwa-right, i-angle between the direction of motion and the force in question zoba ubani? Zoba u-0. So cos of 0 kusinikeza u-positive 1, then 35 times 10 kusikhiphela u-350 joules. So enye indlela yokwenza ungaqala uthole i-F net bese ucalculate the work done by F net or uyi-calculate ngaleya ndlela leya siyibone phezulu. Let's put another question. The 50 newtons force is now applied at an angle of 30 degrees to the horizontal, and the block is moved through 2.5 meters as shown in the diagram below. Now, sinikeziwe ukuthi le box bayayidonsa ngo-50 newtons applied force at an angle of 30 degrees and i-surface yethu i-rough. If i-surface i-rough basuke besho ukuthi there is a frictional force. Okay, frictional force yethu 13 newtons. So le block izomuva i-distance ewu-2.5 isuka ku-point A ize iyofika ku-point B. Okay, now they say calculate the work done by the applied force. So zimbili indlela esinga-calculate ngayo la i-work done by the applied force zimbili. Ngesiqale ngaleyo kuqala. Work done by the applied force is equal to, maybe before the calculator, let's draw a free body diagram showing all the forces are acting 4 kg block We have the normal force Fg, an applied force, and a frictional force. Imvama sijwayele ukunaka lama forces which are parallel to the surface. So this is F applied in X direction. F applied in X direction olingana no F applied cos of theta. Okay, angikho-ke lapha. Ake sitholeni kuqala the force applied, the work done by the force applied. Kuzoba i-force applied delta X cos of theta. I-force applied yethu u-50. Izohamba ibanga elingakanani? The object izohamba 2,5 cos i-angle i-object yethu iyakwa-right. I-force in question, applied force, i-angle between bona, i-angle kuzoba u-30, so 30 degrees. 50 times 2,5 times cos of 30 okusikhiphela 108,25 joules. Okay, so le force le yenza umsebenzi opositive. Ubona ngani, uhlukanisa ngani ukuthi le force yenza umsebenzi o-negative, le force yenza umsebenzi o-positive? Once i-angle between the force in question and the direction of motion yaba greater than 90 degrees, yaba nkulu kuno-90 le angle between le force esikhuluma ngayo ne-direction of motion, yaba nkulu kuno-90 lo angle, leyo force izobe yenza umsebenzi o-negative and i-energy esizoyithola izoba negative. Kodwa once i-angle leyo theta yalingana noma okay yaba less than, ake sithi nje yaba less than ngoba ilingana no-90 izoba u-0 vele. Yaba less than 90 angle izobe yenza umsebenzi o-positive, ingakho la sithola i-positive work. Okay, ake sibuke-ke la enye indlela besingaqala sithole F applied in X direction uma ngabe sifuna uku-calculate the work done by the applied force, ngoba i-force eyenza ukuthi le object imove iyona le parallel to the surface. So F applied in X direction is equal to F applied cos of theta is equal to F applied wethu u-50 cos theta wethu u-30, bese siyathola ukuthi u-F applied in X direction ubani? 50 cos of 30 kuzosinikeza bani? Kusinikeza u-43, 43,301 newtons. Okay, mase siyitholile i-force applied asanda bese siyitholile i-force applied, bese si-calculate force applied, the work done by force applied in X direction. Zoba force applied in X direction delta X cos of theta. Force applied in X direction sithola ukuthi 43,301. Izohamba ibanga elingakanani lo object? Izohamba u-2,5 cos, bese siyayibuza force applied in X direction uyakwa-right, then the direction of motion, i-angle between bona, since i-object iyakwa-right ne-applied force in X direction iyakwa-right, so ba-parallel to each other, i-angle kuzoba u-0 degrees lapha. 43,301 times 2,5 times cos of 0 kusinikeza the very same answer 108,25 joules. So zimbili-ke iy'ndlela zokucalculate-a the work done by the applied forces, either sithole i-component yakhona yaka-X or sithole i-component yaku-Y. So asicalculate the work done by the frictional force. Ngesithole work done by Fk is equal to Fk delta X cos of theta. U-Fk wethu 13 zihamba ibanga elingakanani? 2,5 cos ngesibukeke. So i-object yethu iyaba-right delta X, frictional force yethu iyaba-left, the angle between ubani 180. Ake sibukeke ngoba le angle isi-greater than 90, sibuke ukuthi izokwenza umsebenzi o-positive noma izokwenza umsebenzi o-negative. 13 times 2,5 times cos of 180 kuphuma negative 32,5 joules. So le force le yenza umsebenzi o-negative ngoba i-angle between yona le force ne-direction of motion is greater than 90. Senza umsebenzi o-negative. Now, bathi-ke calculate the work done, calculate the work net, the net work done on the wooden block, the net work done. Just calculate the net work done. Singasebenzisa imethod eyodwa manje kunankinga. W net is equal to work done by the applied force plus work done by the frictional force kuphela. Okay, la lokhu kuyinto eyodwa lokhu nalokhu ya. Bengikhombisa nje ukuthi ngenye indlela, ngenye imethod ungenza kanjani, ngenye imethod ungenza kanjani. So work done by applied force 108,25 plus work done by frictional force minus 32,5. Uzosinikeza bani? Uzosinika 75,75 joules. Okay. Singenza futhi ngenye indlela. Le enye indlela ukuthola i-F net kuqala ngithi. Ungaqala uthole i-F net. Mhlawumbe ake siyenzeni. Asiyenzeni ngale indlela yokuthi uqala uthole ukuthi F net ubani. F applied in X direction besimcalculate-ile vele sidinga yena kuqala nje. Ngoba sikwazi ukucalculate F net sidinga F applied in X direction masifuna ukuthola F net and simcalculate-ile samtshela ukuthi 43,301 newtons. Sidinga yena ku-F net kuqala, the horizontal component. Masifuna F net sisihlanganisa ama-forces that are on one dimension. So F net is equal to MA. F net, if force applied in X direction minus a frictional force. So kuzoba wrong ukuthi 50 minus a frictional force because frictional force is not in one dimension with an applied force, but the frictional force is in one dimension with the applied force in X direction. So it is 43,301 minus 13. 43,301 minus 13 okuzosikhiphela u-30,301 newtons. Mawusunayo Fnet, usungasho ukuthi work done by net force is equal to Fnet times delta x times cos of theta. Fnet wethu 30,301 zihamba ibanga elingakanani? 2,5 cos Fnet yale, yes, Fnet yale delta x yale, so end u-0 times 2,5 times cos of 0, which will give us 75,75 joules. So, yenye indlela le yokuthola the network done. Ungaqala uthole ngendlela le yama-newtons law enormal. Qala uthole i-net force, uma uqeda ukuthola i-net force, then you can calculate the net work done.